Hey guys, we have here the JBL Reflect Mini NC truly wireless earbuds, and there is a firmware upgrade available. So in this video we want to explain to you how to apply this update to your earbuds. So we're going to show you this with the help of an iPhone, but it works the same way with an Android phone as well. So first you need here the JBL Headphones app. If you don't have that yet, then you should download that from the Google PlayStore or the AppStore. And of course your earbuds have to be already paired with your phone before you can start this. Okay, so as we enter the JBL Headphones app, the app should be immediately realizing that the JBL Reflect Mini NC are connected to our phone. And then here right next to the image of the earbuds you see this little arrow pointing down, and that indicates that there is a firmware update available. So just click on this arrow or on the picture, and then on the very bottom of the screen we find the current firmware version. In our case this is here version 3.7.0, and again clicking on the arrow, and this takes us to the firmware update screen where we first see the new version number, which is 4.2.0, and then also we're going to see here what the new features are or the improvements that come with this update. So you can see here there's 3 changes that are included in this new firmware, and then we can select here if we want to use the fast track update or the normal speed. So the fast track update is when you're not going to use the earbuds while we are processing the update, which is what we are going to do here, since it's going to be 50% faster. And what will happen now is that first the phone is going to download the new firmware from the internet from the JBL server, and after that the phone is going to transfer the new firmware right to the earbuds. And then the third step is that the earbuds are actually going to install the new firmware. So the entire process took about 11 minutes, so choosing the fast track update mode where you can't use the earbuds while you're updating was a good choice. One important thing to consider during the update is to not touch the phone or the earbuds while the software is being transferred, so that nothing bad happens to your earbuds and they may eventually become unresponsive or unusable afterwards. So for one, during the update you don't want to leave the JBL Headphones app, and also you don't want to take the earbuds out of the charging case, or if you have them out already you don't want to right now put them back into the charging case. Also, you don't want to close the charging case. So it is best to just leave the phone and the earbuds sitting by themselves without touching them at all during the update, so nothing can go wrong. Once the firmware has been successfully transferred to the earbuds, the actual update begins, which takes about another minute. And once everything completes successfully, we should be able to see here the green check mark and the update is completed. So once you're going to press done, we can check now the new firmware version at the bottom of the screen again. Here we see now it is updated to version 4.2.0, so we are at the latest version. Also the orange arrow here that we used to see at the top of the screen, that is gone now, so we know we are at the current software version. Okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.